So we're back at it with the Traxxas Stampede 4x4 brushless with the BL-2S. I did go up 3 teeth on the pinion, so I went up from a 10 tooth to a 13 tooth. The main thing to be aware of is that you'll need a different insert for the fixed position thing on the motor to where it screws in. So I will have a link in the description below where you can pick up that part. It's like a $2 part. Basically you just need the thing that's used on the Haas, or the I think it's the Ford F-150 also as well. So get that. Went up 3 teeth, and yeah, we'll see how this thing actually drives and see if it performs a little better now. Well, yeah, first pack through the Stampede with the +3 gearing, successful. Definitely running cool, so that's nice to see. It's got about 30% more speed. I did test the maximum speed on this thing, and it is going about 30 miles per hour now, which is, decent. Huge improvement from the 24-ish that you get out of the box. So that's nice. Definitely welcome improvement. Not running hot, so that's good to see. Still quite cool. I mean, it's a fairly cool day. It's about 60 degrees Fahrenheit out here, so not a hot day, but it seems like it definitely can handle it. Doing some speed runs with this motor. I did get it up to about 160 degrees, so that's kind of probably the worst case scenario. But you know, normal bashing like this, it seems like I can handle it fine. Any downsides? Well, definitely still got a little bit of cogging more now on the low end. So starting from a stop, or especially if you're kind of like rolling back and then trying to go forward again, it does cog quite a bit more. So you know, that's a bit annoying. Really the only main downside I see. But yeah, pretty successful overall. Now that it's going a little faster, I can do a little bit of backflip. Seems like it probably needs a little tuning on the shocks as well. But yeah, anyways, I hope you enjoyed this video. Seems like definitely a must-have upgrade. I'll have links in the description below what you can use. You just need a 32 pitch 13 gear and that little adapter here, basically for this fixed motor position. You don't have to run it, but it's going to be a lot more durable, a lot more you know, reliable having that where the motor can't accidentally move in case that screw loosens. So anyways, I hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to hit the like, share, subscribe buttons. Look for more videos soon. Thanks for watching.